All right, the tire that I had on, the Michelin AC10 in the back, it's just rounded enough to where I could make an argument for spinning it around. And I saw Tusk had this new tire, the EMEX T45 118. Doesn't come in a 120, but the sizing is pretty generous. Knobs are huge, rubber's pretty firm. I'm not going to put on, I don't have those Duro meters, but it's every bit as stiff as a Maxxis, if not more so. So the price is right. You can get 2 of these for one Maxxis Desert IT, which is the gold standard of desert riding. And I'm going to mount this up, see how it looks. Like I said, the sizing is generous, the knobs are big. Measured them, they're over 13 millimeters, 13 and a half, something like that. And it's got some cool stuff, like these shoulders here on the knobs, these dimples on the top of the knobbies. Kind of reminds me of the old Bridgestone M22, M23. And they got these slits cast into it. So just looking at it, it should grip decently. The real test is going to be how hard is it to mount, how well does it fit, and how long does it last. So we'll find out in just a few minutes. Alright, so here's the EMEX T45 100 or 110, 118. Sizing generous. I got it pumped up to 13 psi. The carcass is stiff, but it mounted up just fine. Not quite 2-finger gap there, 2-finger gap here. It's quality made, or at least appears to be. There's no dings that I can say about this. It sealed around the rim really easily. It's shouldered here. Camera's not picking that up. It's not like the Sedona 907. We got to put 100 psi on it to pop the bead on. It beads up real nice, mounts nice. I'm pretty optimistic about this. Just as hard as the rubber is though, it's either going to last forever or it's going to chunk and not last too long. So we'll see. I'm fortunate that I have a job, but unfortunately that keeps me from going out for a ride right now. So I'll have to take it for a spin either in these next couple days here. So anyways, don't be afraid of buying this. It's quality made. Later.